Here's a clip on the timeline of Davinci Resolve, which is a vertical clip, and for some reason it has black bars on the top, left, right and bottom all around it. Okay, so how to fix this problem? The clip used a smart reframe so that it is positioned left and right, but for some reason it is positioned vertically also. And the clip used stabilization, but although zoom is checked, those black bars are still appearing in the video. So first disable the stabilization of that clip, uncheck it, and now reframe that clip here at transform once again. Click on reframe. Now the program is analyzing what it thinks it should be in focus. Let's say that pole in the center because there is a bird on it. That's fine, and after that let's put back the stabilization. We can reset it back and stabilize it once again if we want, and that eliminates the black bars around the video in this reframed vertical video. So there are no black bars on the sides or on the top, and the video is also stabilized, and that bird, that subject, stays roughly in the center by itself. It was done by the smart reframe option.